Hi guys, good evening and welcome to the channel. Welcome to a night point of view drive of this car. So the second generation of the Peugeot 2008. I have the key here. So as you can see, cool illumination of the lights, LED lights on the front when you turn on the car. Now this is the top trim model, so the GT line with this lovely orange color, LED lights, 17-inch wheels. Let me show you the side view of the car. So you have the black roof, nice contrast. And now we move on to the back of the car where you have this 3D. Let me open the car again. So the 3D shape of the LED lights, which are connected with this black part, and overall looking very good. I love the real exhaust also. So once again, GT line trim, the top trim model. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about the design? And now let's see how does this look from the inside. So this is it. You have this sort of like a carbon look. Then you also have cool seats and the i-Cockpit and very innovative interior. And let me show you this in more details. Alright guys, so let's start the car with the button here and it goes to life. As you can see, ambient lighting, this small steering wheel which looks very good. You have the i-Cockpit, so digital cockpit in front of the driver with different views available. So whether you want driving information and navigation, whatever you want in front of you, you can have it. Looks very cool indeed. This is the main screen, touch screen, and also you have this touch panel and also some of the buttons for the AC, for example, but you still do have to touch the screen in order to change the temperature or adjust the air blower. So yeah, that's the new trend among all the new manufacturers, new cars actually. So yeah, tell me in the comments, what do you think about it? Let's turn on actually these lights here. So as you can see, and now we have a bit better view. This is the gear lever for the automatic transmission, well known from other Peugeot and Citroen models. Nice steering wheel, flat bottom, flappy pedals for the changing of the gears, and I think we are ready to roll now. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's take it for a spin. Going into drive and starting our night drive around the city. So as you can see, you can clearly see the i-Cockpit now. With all the main information that you need in front of you. And let's stay on this i-Cockpit. So people were commenting on my Peugeot 208 video that they couldn't see the cockpit. That was because my GoPro is always a bit below my eye level, but now I adjusted the steering wheel and everything so that you can also see it from point of view drive of my GoPro. So yeah, but there are actually a lot of positions that you can take, and well, in most cases you will see the cockpit. This is the main screen, as I said, either touch or these buttons here. This particular model has the diesel engine. It's producing 130 horsepower and the ride is very smooth with this automatic transmission, which has very nice soft changes. when you press this, you can have the different profiles where you can adjust the theme and the lights and everything that you know you need in front of you. And that's cool if there are, you know, few owners of the car. If few people are using the car, then it's good to have this. And basically you can also change the themes. There are actually 3 themes available. So you have the blue theme that we have now, and I will now change to red. If I press OK, you will now see that this is changing. So this is the red theme. Now we can also change this to quartz. Okay, so this is sort of like a green theme. Tell me in the comments which one do you prefer. In my opinion, the best one is the first one. So let's go back to the blue one. You also have a wireless charger for your phone. So it's actually here. USB port. Another USB port. As you can see, the drive is very smooth with this automatic transmission. Here is where you have the indicators, so a special place for them. So guys, tell me in the comments, what do you think about this interior? I think they really did a good job. They improved it very much compared to the predecessor, and I even think that this looks better than some, you know, bigger SUVs in the market. But share your thoughts with me in the comments. Now this car is also equipped with the driving modes. They come in the higher trim models, and I will now switch it to the eco mode. So this is the eco mode. Now you can immediately feel on the throttle that you don't have as much power as we used to have on the normal mode. This is definitely for, you know, saving fuel. So if you are on a longer road trip, this is definitely you know, can be useful. But let's go back to normal mode, and if I switch it to the sport mode, then you have the full throttle response. And I also believe that you have a fake sound with this. I think it just sounds I don't know, too good to be true. I don't think this is the engine sound, guys. So this is the diesel engine. Obviously not a single diesel, I think, has nice sound. Maybe only the strongest ones on the market from, you know, premium car manufacturers. But here I don't think this is the sound. So this is the sound you get from the speakers, which is, in my opinion, a cool thing. But share your thoughts and tell me, do you think that's cool or not? Now I have these LED lights on so that you can clearly, you know, see better, but now we can turn them off, and now you enjoy the ambient lights. The car drives on the same platform as the Peugeot 208, so very smooth drive. Now in front of me we can also change the views. This is the personal view where you adjust what you want. Now currently we have the power, boost and torque. It only works, I think, in the sport mode, which we are currently in, so that's why you see, you know, the power and everything and how much of it are we using. Okay, so I decided to, you know, take a bit different view now, so we see a more of the steering wheel. And yeah, well, yeah guys, I'm interested in your opinion, really. I am really impressed with this car. I think the Peugeot designers are doing a great job with their latest models. So 508, 2008, 3008, 508, really good job in terms of design. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about that? Also tell me, would you take this or, for example, Renault Captur, or maybe Citroen C3 Aircross or Nissan Juke? Tell me in the comments. Also do subscribe to the channel, guys, in order to see more videos like this, more car reviews, more car related stuff, vlogs, everything. And well, yeah, I think it's time to, you know, say goodbye. Of course, I'll see you on the next video. Until then, enjoy and see you. Bye bye.